They didn't have no education about the law.
Exactly.
The judge, whatever the hell, the DA made me. They supposed to uphold the law. They are not the law. They supposed to protect and uphold the law. And so now with all that, what they say, what they say to you, what they do, no, all right. But Miranda, what's her name? Miranda, you gotta know. But being you just being in chain, don't say a motherfucking word.
What's the next question?
Don't say a motherfucking word.
Just released body cam footage shows the moments leading up to a deadly shooting. A Fort Worth police officer is seen walking around the outside of a home, shining a flashlight on the walls and windows for closer inspection. He stops, points his flashlight at a window, and draws his gun.
Hands up! Show me hands!
Police issued a statement saying the officer perceived a threat, drew his weapon, and fired one shot, striking 28-year-old Tatiana Jefferson. Said he called a non-emergency number out of concern for his neighbor.
Man down.
Smith believes she might still be alive if he never dialed for help.
They always pull up ready to take a man down. Why you call the cops on me? Why you calling the gang with the straps on me? Are you really trying to get me killed? They always pull up ready to take a man down. Why you call the cops on me? Why you calling the gang with the straps on me? Are you really trying to get me killed? They always pull up ready to take a man down. Man down. Man down. They always pull up ready to take a man down. I'm sick of the same thing, I'm sick of the same game. They're killing my peoples and I be feeling the same pain. You better listen if you never seen it. They getting exposed and I'm gonna scream it. They was doing us dirty, but now technology came so we could see what they do. That's how we know who to blame.
Yo, don't put your hands on him. Don't put your hands on him, though. For what, man? For what? Yo, don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Don't touch him. Fuck is wrong with you, my nigga? Don't be touching people, man. That's it, yeah, that's it. What's your name and badge number? Don't be touching people, man. What's wrong with you, man?
Cool.
What gives you the authority to touch people?
You got my name. You good now?
Fucking pig.
You good?
No, I'm not good. As long as we got people like you outside in the streets.
Damn, man, that's right.
What gives you the power to touch people, man? Like you're their daddy, bro. What's wrong with you? Yo, stop touching people, man.
Excuse me, I just want to ask you a
Move
question.
back, yo. Move back, nigga.
What law are you enforcing right now, law enforcement officer? What law are you enforcing?
This guy, bro, touching him, bro.
Because you touching the car.
And that's why you touch him?
What law are you enforcing?
I'm telling you not to touch the car. That's
Why not?
what
Why not? I'm trying to have a civil conversation. Why not?
I want to have a conversation with you.
Can you teach him what lawful order means?
He's not gonna teach him because he's dirty.
Behind your order is a law.
Don't be touching people,
Not
man.
You're the law. So
Do that with your
say
kids,
you're
man.
the
Your
law.
family.
Understand?
Your wife.
Has to be a law.
Yeah, get out of here.
Good night, guys.
You too.
What's the most important thing about your job, white shirt? Huh? Back to work. What's the most important thing about your job?
See you in the funny papers, you heard?
Constitution.
And don't be touching people, nigga.
I put the tattoo on my shirt. I put the tattoo on my shirt. On my shirt.
Don't be touching people, you heard? And put your seatbelt on. Put your seatbelt on.
I'm trying to be okay.
You heard?
Yeah, that's the people's guy. I want an agent P. The mother people's guy. I don't bother nobody. Yeah, that's the people's guy.
They be dirty.
The mother people's guy.
Y'all already know, my peeps. Why he gonna hands on, my peeps? I wanted to hit that nigga with this bottle, bro. You feel me? But we can't break the law, man. Nope. Why he touching you, man? That shit got me mad as hell, bro. Don't touch him.
Got me tight too.
And why you let them touch you, bro? Yo, move the fuck back, nigga.
Mad calm. I be
You
chilling,
crazy,
bro.
nigga. Don't touch me, nigga.
Yeah,
Get the fuck out of here.
I love it. You gotta let them niggas know
Yes.
they are not the law.
Exactly.
We they boss. We they boss.
They supposed to uphold the
Hold the
law.
law.
Right.
Yes.
They are not the law.
They're
They're
not
supposed to
feeling
uphold the
officers
law.
either. They're not feeling officers either.
No, no.
Not their feelings.
We
The
got
law.
Tango, we got
The
the
law is the
swag,
law.
they the old school
And they
drip.
have no education about the law. The
Exactly.
judge, whatever the hell, the DA, maybe, they supposed to uphold the law.
They don't. They bend it. They break it.
No. Tell your homies, you are not the law.
You talking to the world right now.
Yep.
What you gotta
Okay,
say to
all
the
right.
Go
world?
ahead.
What? I'm gonna be all like, what? I'm gonna do it? No,
Do your thing,
he
man.
did. They are not the law. They supposed to protect and uphold the law. And so now with all that, what they say, what they say to you, what they do, no, all right. But Miranda, what's her name? Miranda, you gotta know.
The Miranda
Let them-
rights.
That's right. Let them kids know.
Yeah. That's
Don't
what
say
we're doing.
nothing.
We're educating everyone. We're trying to
I
educate
say,
them
am
too.
I under
Plead the
arrest?
thief.
Am I under arrest?
Plead the thief.
Am I under arrest?
Or am I detained?
Well, detain something different.
But we need to know what's
No,
cooking.
they
gotta
try
know,
to
you
fake.
gotta ask
They try
them
to
first.
feel you. They try to fake you with that. No, you're not under arrest. You're being detained. But being you just being detained, don't say a
what's the
motherfucking
next-
word.
what's the next question?
Don't say a
You gotta say
motherfucking
for
word.
what crime? What
No,
crime?
you just being detained. You're not arrested.
Yeah, but you gotta detain for a crime. Suspicion.
No,
of a crime.
detain. He
Not
asked me a
in the
question.
streets, you know?
Detain is different than being arrested.
That's
Of
why
course.
we're on bike
So
lanes.
that you say, am I arrested? No, you're just being detained. You ain't gotta say motherfucker.
Yo,
No, so when they say detained, if you arrested, they gotta read you the memorandum. If they say you just being detained, you got it.
Stay
Don't
quiet.
say a motherfucking thing.
yo, listen. You have a good night, my G. You heard? Love and respect, man.
No, I see what y'all
Take
doing.
care.
I love you.
Do nothing, man. We educating them. You heard?
Ever.
Love and respect. Yo, my peeps, stay tuned in. You heard? See you on the next one.
People's guys is subscribe to his service. Work.
We gotta get them subscriptions up.
Get them subscriptions.
Get them vibes up.
I've been to jail 50 times, and 50 times I done do shit. Out of those 50 times, they gave me 50 deals of bullshit. And after all this happened, yeah, you see me, I'm fine. I had to start from zero more than 50 times.
Let me see that shit, man.
I'm from
Let
LA,
me see.
fool. I'm from LA. Search that shit. Ah, no
Right
shit.
there. The first one. Subscribe to my shit.
Subscribe though. Subscribe.
We got you.
Let me see. Subscribe right there. Subscribe to my shit.
Already done. Oh.
I don't fuck with dirty cops. You heard?